What's going on, everybody? Another tinnitus video for you. I want to go over something because I've been getting bombarded with all of these questions about vitamins and what I'm doing different and all that other stuff. So going back, totally going over my my entire tinnitus life of years of whatever. I want to go through 3 A's that I have come up with. I have gone through aggravation, I have gone through ailments, and I have gone through being annoyed. Okay? I want to let you know that if you get rid of your aggravation, your ailments, and your annoyances, it will stop. I don't care what anybody says. There is no magic pill. There is no meditation that's going to make it stop. There is no quiet your mind. There's none of that. It's not going to happen. It didn't just start from something. It started from an array of different things. So if you can stop the annoyances in your life, the aggravation in your life, and the ailments that you have, it will go away. Annoyances, people around you, people that you conduct business with, friends that aggravate you, that's another A, but friends that annoy you, people that annoy you, just stop talking to them. If they are terrible in your life, if they are bothering you that much, they are not worth your time. Your ailments, if you have back problems, if you have problems with your hands, if you have arthritis, if you have an issue with I can't say, that these things aren't going to bother you, but get them fixed. Go to the doctor. Check out what the doctor can do for you. And I'm not an advocate of medication whatsoever because I believe that it makes you worse. And it's just a Band-Aid for what it is. But you need to get rid of, and I've said this in so many videos before, you need to get rid of the toxic people in your life. If you have a boyfriend that's terrible, get rid of him. He's not helping you out. If you have a girlfriend that's terrible for you, get rid of her. She's not helping you out. If you have friends that are toxic, if you have family members, their family, you know what? Dead them. Get rid of them. Because you know what they're doing? They are not helping you at all. They are making it worse. If you have somebody that's constantly annoying you, bombarding you with issues, if you always feel like the person who takes in everything, like let's say you're the friend or you're the family member that is the one that everybody comes to. You know what? Don't worry about other people's problems. Worry about your own problems, because we all have our own problems. And when you take and you take and you take and you take and you never get to release anything, guess what happens? You get tinnitus. That's what happens. So all these videos online that you guys are watching, I don't want to make you feel like they're not worth it or they're not helping you or there's meditation and whatever. But I gotta tell you, my tinnitus was to the point where I just didn't want to be here anymore. I had it. It was incredibly loud. It was all day long. Sometimes I could barely hear people. I had to put the TV up louder, and I was scared about putting the TV up louder. I didn't want to go to I don't drink, but I didn't want to go to bars with my friends. I didn't want to go to clubs and lounges and venues where there were loud music. I didn't want to go to concerts. I love concerts, okay? I didn't want to go to concerts. You know how terrible that was? Sitting in the car with my friends, they would all know, oh, Vinny's here. We got to lower the music. And they were super cool about it. But I was tired of that. And I still think about it, like, how did I live with not being able to enjoy myself? And I know that I've told you I've become a vegetarian and it has helped for inflammation, but I'm telling you the biggest contributor of this issue is stress, and nobody wants to believe me. Get rid of the boyfriend that's terrible. Get rid of the girlfriend that's terrible. Stop talking to the parents that don't help you with anything. Leave the sister or brother that bothers you with everything. Get rid of the friend who's always leaving all their crap on you, who's always trying to tell you their problems. Just forget them. They don't help you. And eventually, it's not going to take a day. It's not going to take a week. And I can promise you it's not going to take a month. But 3 months, 6 months, a year, you are going to realize that you don't even hear it anymore. If you want to go to school, if you never graduated, finish school. Something you want to do. Believe me, when you're back in school, when you get your certificate, when you get your diploma, when you get your AS, whatever you want to call it, you will feel better. I'm not saying go spend all your money on all the things that you want in the entire world. But if you work really hard and you want something and you've worked for it and you have some money and you know that you're not going to, lose your position in life by spending a little bit of money on something, go splurge and enjoy yourself for a night. Don't be so stingy with money. Go enjoy yourself for a little bit. I can't tell you, it's just driving me nuts because I see you guys and I feel your pain. I feel your heartache. I feel everything for you. But I think you all are looking in the wrong place. It's in you, the way you absorb things. It's not in you that you have this disease or you have this problem inside your head that your ears are ringing. I mean, unless you went through some kind of traumatic experience that you had some explosion or firecracker went off right next to your head, whatever it is, that's a different story. You have a medical condition. But if your tinnitus just came out of nowhere, you woke up one day, it was there. You were sitting in your room and all of a sudden you just started hearing, mine sounded like a 56K modem. If I listen to it right now, I literally hear nothing. And it's the craziest thing is because my entire time having tinnitus, I'm telling you, I couldn't get up in the morning. It was so bad. I couldn't sleep at night. I couldn't function. I wasn't going out anymore. I wasn't doing anything. Now I have everything that I want for the most part. I am super happy. A lot of my problems are 90% of my problems are gone. I smile most of the day. It has to do with your mood and what is going on around you. So not to sound like a broken record, but for the last time, get rid of the toxic people. Stop being annoyed by these people. Stop getting angry at yourself and at these people and angry at things around you. So many good things are in this world. There's no sense of being angry and depressed all day long. It's not worth it. Don't get aggravated. Just don't get aggravated. Remember those 3 A's: annoyed, your ailments, and aggravation. And even anger. You want to put anger in there? It's part of aggravation, but still, do the 4 A's. Just get rid of them. You get rid of one, you'll start snowballing and you'll get rid of 2. It'll start snowballing, you'll get rid of 3. You're going to get rid of these things. Just get rid of them. Stop worrying about sitting there and trying to meditate for hours and hours and getting aggravated. Stop sitting there and trying to make everybody happy, but nobody makes you happy. It's going to get you angry. Okay? Don't do it anymore. Take it from me. I have watched so many videos on YouTube. I have made so many videos on YouTube. I have taken so many different kinds of supplements. I have changed my entire eating habits and schedule. God, I can't even explain to you. I mean, you guys are going through this with me, so I totally understand, and I'm going through this with you. But you have to understand, get rid of these things in your life, and your noise will stop. I go to sleep every night with nothing on anymore. No fan, no TV. I am sitting in a completely, it's almost soundproof in here. I really don't even hear anything. And I don't hear my tinnitus. So for all of you people that have been told it will never go away, for all the people that told, try this hearing device, try this supplement, try this and that, I'm telling you, I've tried them, and I'm not saying that they're not going to help you. There are supplements that are there to help you, and I put one in my last video. But enjoy your life. Go out and do that thing that you've wanted to do. And all of a sudden you'll see you're on vacation and your tinnitus is like, I went on vacation, I didn't hear my tinnitus at all, and now all of a sudden I hear it. Yeah, no, really, it's because you went on vacation. You did something for yourself. Do something nice for yourself. Help yourself out, and you'll feel better, and I promise you. And if you have a comment, leave it. I promise I will answer you like I have done for every single person that has logged on to my channel, subscribed, commented, whatever. Just subscribe, check it out. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. I can't tell you what to do. But just get rid of those things, and I promise you that you'll feel better. So please leave me a comment that 3 years from now or 3 months from now, you feel better. Talk to you guys later. Bye.